Welcome back. Once your video has been uploaded, it will then be part of your asset library, and you will be able to see it here among your images and anything else that you have used for your Google Ads. What you can then do is to click this blue button. You can then click the video button. You can then click add a voiceover. You can then select from the videos you created in Google Ads. You're going to click this area, and when you place the cursor in the dialog box, you're then going to see the ad that you created. What you can then do is click Enhance Video. You're going to see three areas. You're going to see the video. You're going to see the selected voice. You're also then going to see the message that you're going to type in that will be part of your video. So we are going to select a specific voice. We are then going to write in the voiceover message. If you want to start the message at a specific time, you can write that time in. If you want to add on to this message, you can click this Add Message button. You'll then get another dialog box. What you'll then want to do is to click this button to preview the voiceover.
Come to the Video Tutorials Masterclass. Come hear from Thomas Duncan and Harlan Jackson. They will teach on video tutorials.
You can test different voices. So for example, if you want a different voice, you can do that. The voiceover.
Come to the Video Tutorials Masterclass. Come hear from Thomas Duncan and Harlan Jackson. They will teach on video tutorials.
You can choose to turn the volume on the video down so that the music plays in the background and the voice plays in the foreground. What you can then do is to click this button that says Create Video. And your video will start the creation process. Once your video has completed its processing, you can then upload it to your storage area, and your video will go through the upload process. You'll then be able to click the link to see it in a YouTube format, and you'll be able to see your video playing. And the new video with the voiceover will then be available here in your asset library to be used for your ad campaign. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.